I'm so excited that you signed up for the toddler webinar. I'm not sure if you had a chance to watch it yet because I know you were probably busy. But either way, I know I can help you. After more than 2 decades in the autism world, first as a confused and overwhelmed mom of a toddler with a speech delay, and then as an autism professional, behavior analyst, and best-selling author, I do strongly believe that your best path forward is to join our online toddler course and community. There is no reason to wait and worry. Half of the parents in our community don't have an autism diagnosis for their children yet. And so it's very much the same thing. We break everything down so you'll learn what to do step by step, whether you have a 14-month or 18-month who's not pointing, not responding to their name, has little to no speech, or whether your child is 4 or 5 years old, speaking in short sentences, not conversational, and refuses to sit on the potty. Either way, we break it all down, teach you how to assess, how to make a plan, how to teach in a very child-friendly way, and how to make progress. I know that our course and community will help change the trajectory of your child's life and your life as well. So click the link for all the details and sign up today. I can't wait to see your introduction in our community.